Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. I am Komal Sharma and I make maths easy for you. So today we will be talking about lesson number 4 in CBSE, that is quadratic equations. So first of all we need to understand what is a quadratic equation. Quadratic, as the name implies, means 2. So, an equation in one variable in which the highest power of the variable is 2 is known as a quadratic equation. Before this, we have seen that when the power of the variable is 1, it is known as a linear equation. When the power of the variable is 3, it is known as a cubic equation. So in this lesson, we will talk about when the power of the variable is 2, it is known as a quadratic equation. So if we want to look into the general form of a quadratic equation, it is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants and x is a variable. So if you look here, the highest power of the variable is 2 in this case, and a cannot be equal to 0, because if a becomes equal to 0, then this equation, instead of being a quadratic equation, becomes a linear equation. So let us solve some problems related to this. The first type of questions that can appear in your exam is to check whether the given equation is quadratic or not. बताना है कि equation quadratic है कि नहीं है. Okay, say yes or no. So if I look into the first question that is given, it is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 4 minus x whole square plus 3. If you look at it, देखने पर ऐसा लगता है it may be quadratic, but to make sure, you always solve and see for yourself. So if I solve this, this becomes x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, open this bracket, so this is what, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You will be using this identity. So if we write, so square of the first means 4 square, that is 16, minus 2 into this. 2 4s are 8 into x. So this becomes 8x plus square of the second number, x square plus 3. You don't need to write this identity. I have written for you to review it. Okay. So this is x square. Let me transpose all these things to the left hand side. Minus x square plus 2x plus 8x plus 1 minus 16 minus 3 is equal to 0. Let us rub this out. So if we simplify, this cancels out and we are left with 10x minus 18 is equal to 0. But our general form was ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The term x square is missing over here. So we will say that no, this is not a quadratic equation. Agreed? Simple as that. बहुत ही simple है, सिर्फ एक बार solve करके देखना है. If it comes out of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, yes, it is a quadratic equation. If it does not come out, it is not a quadratic equation. Let us go on to the next question. The next question says this. So simplify, minus 2x square, open the bracket. So first distribute this with 5. So you are left with 2x minus 2 upon 5 minus x, 2x minus 2 upon 5. So this is minus 2x square. This multiplied gives 10x. This multiplied 5 and 5 cancel. So this is minus 2. Multiply this, you get minus 2x square, this into this, and this into this, you get plus 2x upon 5. Transpose all to the left hand side. So this is minus 2x square minus 10x plus 2. You know, as you transpose, the sign changes. Sign उल्टा हो जाता है. then this becomes plus 2x square minus 2x upon 5 is equal to 0. Simplify. So this goes, so you are left with minus 10x minus 2x upon 5 plus 2 is equal to 0. So here only, don't go into simplification, here only, because it is just a multiple choice question, yes or no. So over here only you can see that the x square term is missing. So what will you do? You will say no, it is not a quadratic equation. Is the equation quadratic? Say yes or no. So whenever we see this kind of a question, what is our thinking process? हमें सोचना कैसे है? That the equation on simplification should take the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or it should have a term x square in it. So let us simplify this question. So the question says k plus 1 x square plus 3 by 2 x is equal to 7, whether it is quadratic or not, where k is equal to minus 1. So first of all, put the value of k in this. So this becomes minus 1 plus 1 x square plus 3 by 2x is equal to 7. Minus 1 plus 1 becomes 0, x square plus 3 by 2x is equal to 7. Over here, the term x square has vanished. So it is not a quadratic equation because it does not have term x square in this. Next question, say whether the equation is quadratic or not. X cube minus x square is equal to x minus 1 whole cube. To expand this, you must remember this identity. A minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Open it. So it becomes x cube minus x square is equal to, if you open this bracket, cube of the first minus cube of the second minus product of both into the same bracket as it is. Open it. So this becomes x cube minus x square is equal to x cube minus 1 cube is 1. Open this. So minus 3x square plus 3x. Next thing, transpose all to the left hand side. So this becomes x cube minus x cube minus x square plus 3x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. This cancels out. So you are left with 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Yes, this is of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you will say yes, this equation is a quadratic equation. 2x plus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Simplify. You get minus 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. So you can see you have a x square term over here. It has not cancelled out. So you will say yes, this equation is a quadratic equation. If we look into this question, there is no expansion. So transpose all the things to the left hand side. So this becomes 2x minus x square minus x square minus 5 is equal to 0. When you transpose, the signs change. इक्वल टू के इधर या उधर ले जाएंगे तो साइन बदल जाते हैं. बदल दीजिएगा साइन. सो दिस इज माइनस 2x स्क्वायर प्लस 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here you have the x square term. So this is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So you can easily say that this equation is a quadratic equation. The question says root 2x plus root 3 whole square is equal to 3x square minus 5x. We have to say whether this is a quadratic equation or not. So we will expand this using the identity a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This identity you have already done. So expanding this, what do we get? Square of the first term plus 2 first term into second term plus square of the second term. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 3x square minus 5x. Agreed? Now let us open this bracket. When we open this, root 2 square is 2, x square is x, plus this is 2, root 2 into root 3 is root 6x, plus root 3 square is 3 is equal to 3x square minus 5x. Let us simplify it further. So this is x square over here. So this is 2x square minus 3x square plus 2 root 6x plus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now let us do this. So this is minus x square plus x 2 root 6 plus 5 plus 3 is equal to 0. We see that x square term is there in the final result. So we will say that yes, this equation is a quadratic equation. Let's solve the next question. So this is a plus b whole square. So again I am writing the identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This identity we will be using to expand this. Okay. So let us start. Square of the first plus 2 first term into second term plus square of the second term. We are done with this part. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to x to the power 4 plus 3 plus 4x square. Simplify this. So this becomes 2 into 2 x to the power 4 plus 2 2s are 4 x cube plus 4 x square is equal to x to the power 4 plus 3 plus 4x square. What do? Transpose all the terms to the left hand side. This is x to the power 4 here, x to the power 4 here. Sign changes when you come this side. So it is minus plus 4x cube here, no x cube here, plus 4x square. और जब इस 4x square को we bring to the other side, the sign changes. So it was plus here, minus plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Now see what cancels out. So we can see that this cancels out and oh, this was a square over here. So this also cancels out. So we are left with 4x cube minus 3 is equal to 0. So you don't have a term of x square, you have a term of x cube. So since the term x square is missing, so you will say that no, this equation is not a quadratic equation. So today these were very simple questions which we did on finding out whether the given equation is quadratic or not. I hope you have understood them. In case of any doubts, please come up in the comments section. Until we meet next, keep learning, keep solving and keep shining. Thank you.